Okay, I've done something that I've done a couple times before, and she didn't see it from the road. There it is. I eat all that or not. Ooh, look at that. Stage back there. Welcome to the channel. As we roll out this morning, I'd like to show a little love to our affiliate partners and sponsors. Their support keeps this channel fueled up and headed down the highway. Today's ride takes us to the shop in Waxahachie, Texas, as part of the Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas. Hoping would happen, I get up here and then cross over to the left lane. Man, there's a lot of traffic out today. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, I was hoping to meet up with Alan of Rolling on 2 since I'm going to Waxahachie, but he's in California this weekend. Another quick trip going in. Too crowded for this country boy. I was planning on putting my ranch up on the market this year, but looks like I'm gonna wait. The market kind of cooled off a little bit. I think we'll see what the market does in the spring. So right now my plan is put it on the market in May and hopefully find me a little ranch somewhere away from all this noise and traffic and concrete and people. Okay, so right here to the right, and to the left of me is the Monree Ranch. I'm not sure how many acres it is, but it's a lot. When I was growing up in high school or Rutherford College, during the summers we used to come out here. Off to the right there, you can't see them from the camera from the road. You might be able to see one from the road up here, but anyway, there's 3 ponds up here. One was a bass pond, one was full of brim the size of your hand, and we never caught anything out of the third one. I think there was catfish in it, but we wasn't fishing for catfish. But we would come out here on Sundays and catch a mess of, like I say, brim the size of your hand, and we'd go back home and have a fish fry. The good old days. Oh man, I'm gonna pass Del Norte Tacos. I may have to have an early lunch if they're open. There's nothing going on out here right now, but they have a cool stage back there. And then they've got horseshoe pits. DNT Live. If you didn't see it from the road, there it is. Little outdoor seating area. Well, that's probably where I'm gonna sit. You have chopped pork sandwich?
I'm sorry?
You have chopped pork
Yes, sir,
for
we
sandwich?
do. Yes, sir, we do.
Okay, I think that's what I want.
Yes, so
Oh.
of course.
I can't wait till you know. The things are good. A little noisy out here, but it's a great day for being outside. And I like being outside. Beans, they look good. Potato salad. And there's my sandwich. I don't know if I can eat all that or not. Ooh, look at that. Got some extra sauce there if I need it. Now on their sandwiches, they put coleslaw and onions. I already ate the pickles. The damn meat's falling out of it. Oh man. First time I've had the pork sandwich. Man. Oh man, that's good. I usually get their tacos, but man, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off. Okay, I've done something that I've done a couple times before, and every time I do it, I say, don't do it again. But what I did was, I got off, went in and ate. I didn't turn off the on-off button. I just used the kill switch, and my lights were on. So my battery ran down, and I can't say enough about this Noco Boost Plus that I've got. For the price, it's an excellent booster to keep on your motorcycle. So I flipped the camera around. Let's give her a shot. Get you one if you don't have one. I'll leave a link to where I got this in the description below. Hell, I was so excited I was going to get to eat at Del Norte Tacos, I didn't turn my damn motorcycle off. Anyway, let's get back on the road. Man, these neighborhoods are kept clean and well manicured. Beautiful, beautiful how they've renovated these old homes. I just love what they've done to these old homes here. They keep the downtown area very clean as well. Man, look at the architecture on the courthouse. My audio was acting up, but this little girl here kept pointing at me, so I rode over there and I let her rev the engine on my bike. I think she got a kick out of it. This is a pretty cool shop. An old flying Merkel. This is the parts and service department of the Heart and Soul Garage. The garage is in the back through that doorway. This is the retail side of the shop. T-shirts, flannels, gifts, women's apparel, men's apparel, women's accessories. Some really cool pictures up there on the wall. Leather gear, helmets. They also have a sewing department where they sew on patches while you wait. Cool shop. The shop is owned by Paul and Liz Palmer. Very nice people. I will include a link to their website in the description. If you happen to be in the Waxahachie, Texas area, check them out. And tell them a Throttleaholic and the Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas sent you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.